Hey, what's going on? Ryan DePaul here. So first of all, if this is your first time on my channel or watching one of my videos, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes. And also right next to that subscribe button is a big, small bell that you can click on. If you like the content that you see or get some value, go ahead and hit that bell. So anytime I put out any content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. Go ahead and check this out. So with that, we're going to jump right into this review. So today what we're talking about is Royaltie's, one of their newest features, content marketing. So I've done a video about this before, and what we're going to talk about is the second part of it. So they have regular content marketing where you can actually create blogs, and I'll see if I can touch on this a little bit, on various niches and various topic and industries that you can create it on. So this one is more of a for a gut bacteria. And like I said, I did a video about this one before, but we're going to hop into the newest feature, video content marketing. So what we're going to do is, we're in the Royaltie's back office. You will come to this section right here where it says, let me actually close this out right here, content marketing. You click on that. It'll take you to this section right here. Click on add. And what we're going to do is we'll pick one. These are some of the industries that that they have right here, or you can create your own right here as well with your own URL content. And so let's do digital marketing. Hey, why not? So it's kind of like a blog. So you have the articles right here you can pick, and then you have the videos. So we're going to do the videos and see what they have. It's pretty cool. So you have some major influencers, videos that they have. Cardone right there, and you have Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, how to sell anything. This is pretty good stuff. So what you can do, you can actually see what it looks like. Let me show you what you can actually preview the video. So this one right here, that caught my attention because that's the Wolf of Wall Street. So click on that. They'll take you to the video what it looks like. Of course, you gotta go through the ads for YouTube, but it's okay. Skip the ad, and then you hear a video content. We're not gonna go through all this right here, but yeah, guys, that's simple. Pretty cool, right? So you can preview the video before you actually use it. So we're gonna say, hey, I want to use this one right here. Gonna scroll down right here and hit select. Now it's gonna set it up so you can actually create your own. You can pick your own image if you want to. What's cool about this is that for them to have access and see this right here, they have to put either their name and email. I'm going to make it so that they have to choose both. It has a little title right there. Click to watch how to sell a product, sell anything to anyone with the 4 P's method. You can actually put a post description in there too as well. Pretty cool. Watch video. That's the button right there. You can associate landing page. So I would want to pick, I guess, since this is marketing, I'm going to do the Royaltie video page. So those are all my landing pages that I have. So Royaltie AI that we're coming out with pretty soon. And I'll do some more videos on that one too. So we're going to scroll down. You can actually put more form description. So if I want to type stuff right here, you see right there, you can actually put stuff right there to tell the customers, like a call to action to tell them what to do. Right here is contact fields. So add to form their name. I can require that as well as their phone number. But I really don't want their phone number on this one because it's just, hey, I want them to get their email and their name because I want to do capture this as a lead. So for email marketing, I'll show you guys what that look like because this actually has that in there too. I've done another video before in the past. You can just go ahead and refer back to my old videos. So yeah, this is a new feature right here, the GDPR compliance. So you actually can click on this and it'll show here. They can click on. I think it's kind of cool that they can click on this. That they understand that they'll be contacted by the owner of the site. So I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to start using that for some stuff right here. So no one can say, oh, I didn't know that this is the blah, blah, blah. And I'm not selling their information. So with all that, I can just go ahead and hit save. I'm not going to post it, but hit save. And then now I can go back to video content. Actually, just hit save and exit. Save and exit. Boom. Now, see, I just created that. I can go and post this if I want to my, let's see where I want to post it. Post. You can pick where you want to post it at. Click the button. Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn right now. So it's pretty cool. Share. It pops up like this. Oh, gotta click one of those. Share. It'll pop up like this. So you can actually put content on the post. If I wanted to type test blah 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 and XYZ. I actually can put it as my story too. That's pretty cool. That's nifty. Because if you don't know, stories are actually huge right now for marketing and advertising. When you're using these social media platforms. So hit post. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's what I want to show you guys. So, okay, now, great. So that right there is a quick rundown of the the video content marketing. It's pretty cool, pretty exciting. I mean, because everyone knows that video you're watching right now sells. So with that, you get a lot of engagement, a lot of traction, a lot of leads, and leads convert to sales, right? For your business. That's awesome. So that's what I'm talking about. A great feature. I think it's one of the best features out there. And it's actually all included on the software in this platform. That's what's great about this. You don't have to run anywhere and go to different softwares and different websites. Everything's right here. Pretty cool, guys. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll be using this feature often. I've already been using a lot of the features that Royaltie has implemented and given their customers and affiliates to use. So with that, I'm going to end this. I hope you guys got a lot of value. If you have any questions or concerns about this and you want to know more feedback, feel free to contact me either with a comment below or give me a call on my cell phone right here. My direct number is going to be in the comments below, the description below. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Once again, my number is 925-752-8897. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Until the next video.